Nanababa Kabalem, welcome to our Pampanga. Guys, para sa video na to, nandito tayo ngayon sa Porac, Pampanga, and we were invited by Bale Miguel. So take a look at my background, guys. This is where we're gonna be staying tonight. So samahan nyo ako, guys. If you wanna know more about this, let's go! Alright, so let's start our tour dito po sa kanilang, what do you call this? Parang common area, no? So this is where you actually gather. So dito sa likuran ko, parang ito yung outdoor living area. Then ito yung napakalaking dining table. It can hold siguro up until 14, no? One of the biggest dining table na nakita ko sa mga staycations. And then dito naman yung ating outdoor kitchen. So you can have your food setup here. Meron tayong sink. And kompleto rin yung mga appliances natin. Yung mga basic. Like for example, refrigerator, water dispenser, microwave.
Hi, Smokes watching.
Hi, Mom.
Hi.
What can you say about the place?
My dream home.
My dream home. Yeah, no? So it has like parang large front lawn. Sa gitna yung swimming pool. At saka meron tayong parang multi-function area dito.
Maganda yung maraming common areas. And ito, you like this one.
And it has some parang mga pocket spaces like for example yung ano natin doon, no?
Swing.
Meron tayong bench dito. Dito sa side na to parang merong
Grill area.
grill area. Nice!
Thank you.
What I like about the place, it is so inviting. Napaka-relaxing niya, guys. Almost entirely covered with greens. And dito sa section na to, tuwing gabi siguro dito, napakasarap tumambay kasi meron tayong mga parang string lights. And then another outdoor table dito where you can have your grills. So while you're waiting for your food, you know, pwede na kayo magkwentuhan dito. Alright, so let's go to the first room. Let's see if it's open. It's open. And guys, wow! Look at this. Grabe. Ang laki ng kama. So this is a king size bed. Meron tayong dalawang king size bed dito. It has its own toilet and shower area. Sink din nandito. And then dito sa loob, meron tayong flat screen TV and some chairs. Okay, so let's go to the other two rooms. Actually, the next two rooms are gonna be identical. So let's go to the first one. So this room, again, no, napaka-elegant, napaka-simple, and yet you're gonna feel like it's really special. Yun ang nararamdaman ko, guys. So this room has 1, 2, 3, 4 beds. Mga beds natin dito sa baba are queen size. I believe they're the same to sa second level nila pero loft type naman sila. This room has its own toilet and bath din. Ayan. Here's the shower. Here's the meeting room. So the place is perfect for gathering. I may say, siguro mga 100-150 comfortable pa silang magdaos ng mga events dito. So this area right here dito sa gitna, you can convert it into dining or your stage. And then dito sa side na to, this is where you place yung food naman for the catering. Personally, guys, what I can say dito, I'm super duper impressed with the way it was designed and thought of yung mga pwedeng magstay dito. So napaka-relaxing. It has an ambience of flowing water, mga ganyan, and also it has a lot of green spaces. Plus, speaking of spaces, yung mga rooms nila dito, napaka-luwang talaga na. I mean, spacious. Entire place, the entire staycation is also spacious for your event. So speaking of that, guys, if you are having a birthday, a celebration, anything that needs a space like this, or even siguro naghanap kayo ng lugar for a staycation, guys, check out Bale Miguel. This is located po dito sa may Porac, Pampanga. All the details we're gonna be including in the description below, so you can inquire po your booking here. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you here. Until our next scope. Peace out, guys. Bye.